Hey folks, and welcome back to another in the episodes of How to Make Money Online. Now we're reaching the end of this small mini series, and today I wanted to very briefly touch on the subject of organic marketing. Now, for a lot of people, they are very skeptical about organic because they say it doesn't work or it takes lots of time to work. Hey, look, whatever method of traffic you use, it takes practice. It takes learning, it takes time to hone a skill set in a particular subject. But equally, for those people who are saying that organic marketing is dead and that Facebook is reducing the reach and all of these types of things, yes, Facebook is declining the organic reach because obviously it prefers paid ads, and that's, I don't think, is any mystery to anybody. But there are a lot of people who are utilizing organic marketing, no matter what platform, to great success because it's in the strategy and it's in the techniques. It's not necessarily for someone straight off the bat who has absolutely no experience of affiliate marketing. It's going to take time to hone that skill. So if you try it for like a week and then you say it doesn't work, well, quite frankly, nothing is going to work because nothing happens overnight. Whether you're running paid ads, whether you're running organic, whatever you're doing, whatever program you bought into, it takes time. And I can't stress this enough. When you see people out there earning multiple figures, there's two things that are happening. Either one, they are complete and utter liars, or two, they are very experienced at what they do. There are those two options because there's a lot of noise out there from people that are just rattling the cage, trying to get you to believe that you can earn 500,000 in 90 days and all this total and utter nonsense. Apply common sense, people. Apply common sense and do your due diligence to whatever you're considering jumping into, unless it's like a $7 product, in which case you can more than likely afford to gamble and lose that. But if you're looking for multiple, like 4-figure programs, and there's a lot of them out there, people trying to push them, do your due diligence and make sure it's for you. So yes, organic marketing can work, and it's a tried and proven technique that releases you from the ad spend, but you're going to need to invest your own time. So if you don't put a value on that, then yes, it's free. If you put a value on time, then no, it's not. Stay with me for the next one. I'm going to be touching ads.